This is question number 17 of exercise 13.4 from the chapter probability. And the question is, suppose two cards are drawn at random from a deck of cards. So we are drawing two cards randomly from a deck of cards. Let x be the number of aces obtained. So we have been given that x is a random variable and it is representing the number of aces obtained. Then the value of e of x, that is expectation of x, is going to have which value? A, B, C or D. We have to tell which of the option is correct. So it is an objective type question. Now to solve this question, first of all, let x represents the number of aces which is given to us. Then x can take value 0, 1 or 2 because we can get, when two cards are drawn from a deck of cards, 0 ace, 1 ace or 2 aces from the both of the cards selected. Now x is equal to 0, probability of x is equal to 0 would be the probability that no ace is obtained, and this would be equal to 48C2 upon 52C2. 52C2 represents the total possible outcomes, that is total number of ways of selecting two cards out of 52 cards, and 48C2 would represent the total ways of selecting two cards from non-ace card. Okay, from 52 cards which a deck has, if we remove the 4 cards of aces, then we are going to be left with 48 cards which are not going to have any ace, and if from these two cards we are going to select two cards, we are going to get the total favorable numbers of ways in which no ace is obtained. Okay, and this would be equal to 48 into 47 upon 52 into 51, and here we have used a shortcut, that is nc2 is equal to n into n minus 1 upon 2. So 48c2 would be equal to 48 into 47 upon 2, and 52c2 would be equal to 52 into 51 upon 2. The 2 in the denominators are going to cancel out, and this can be written as 1128 upon 1326. This is because I've cancelled 48 and 52 with 2, so this would be equal to 24 into 47, which would be equal to 1128, and 26 into 51, this would be equal to 1326. Okay, now probability of x is equal to 1 would be probability that one ace is obtained, and this would be equal to selecting from 4 aces 1 ace, and from 48 card 1 card upon 48c2, and this would be equal to 4 into 48, 4c1 is equal to 4, 48c1 is equal to 48, and 52c2 is equal to 52c2 is equal to 52 into 51 upon 2, and 2 goes in the numerator, and which on simplification would give me 192 upon 1326. Similarly, probability of x is equal to 2, that is probability of both aces obtained, would be equal to 4c2 upon 52c2. This would be equal to 6 into 2 upon 52 into 51, or this would be equal to 6 upon 1326. Okay, now this is the probability distribution of the random variable x. We need to calculate the expectation of x, so this would be equal to summation of xi into p of xi. So this would be equal to the product of the random variable x. This would be equal to the actually total of the product of the random variable into its probability. So this would be equal to 0 into 1128 upon 1326 plus 1 into this value plus 2 into this value. And this can be simplified as equal to 192 plus 12, or that is 204 upon 1326. On cancelling it with 6, I am going to get 34 upon 221, and further cancelling with 17, I am going to get 2 upon 13, which is equal to the option D. That is, the correct option is D, which is the required answer. So this is how I am going to solve this question.
Friends, thanks for watching my video. To watch more of these super videos and for the latest updates, subscribe and like the videos on these channels on YouTube, HSK Shiksha and Math Help by HSK. Thank you.